Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Toyota Celica 2004 GT, and what we've done on this vehicle is we fully installed an aftermarket Sony head unit. So we took the original one out and put the Sony in here. Also, it's got full CarPlay, Android Auto and web link, so you can connect up your phone to it. Your CarPlay show up there, and you've got full navigation. Also access to all your favorite apps as well. That's supported on CarPlay, will come up on here. If you've got an Android phone, you'll get Android Auto show up on there. You got your original system there. Additionally as well, you've got Bluetooth and DAB all built into it as well. Also, the web link function allows you to connect up your phone, and you can use certain apps like Waze and Google Maps on there. Also, you can watch YouTube on it as well. And additionally, we've installed a reverse camera, so when you put it into reverse, the reverse camera show up there.